This next section will cover measuring the tool heights. To measure the tool currently in the spindle, press Measuring Current Tool. The machine will move the current tool back to the tool height sensor and slowly touch it to the surface of the sensor. This completes the circuit, and after it jumps back up, the tool measurement is complete. To measure multiple tools at the same time, press the Multi-Tool Measure button. Select the tools you want to measure. In this case, we'll be measuring T1 and T8. Press OK to confirm. It will automatically begin by measuring T1, as T1 was already in the spindle. That has finished measuring T1 and is now going to place it back in the tool holder and measure T8. Note that it will always measure tools in numerical order. The machine has now finished measuring all of the tools.